Yes, so here we have some practical assignments, so I'll stop talking. So what I would like you to do is to, anyone here, I am sure many people here have some ideas they would like to bring to life. They would like to implement, make it into business. So I would like someone who has something in their mind to say it out loud, and the other team members will write down in the chat box what are their two key skills, what are their strong points, so that this person who is basically theoretically now the team leader can create and develop, collect people who will do the teamwork based on complementary skill sets. So I want one person to collect the team, if said in short. Anyone wants to volunteer? Anyone who has like not very elaborated, just an initiative, just an idea in their mind. So this person will collect the team for their mind based on the skills that their teammates, that their colleagues mention in the chat box. If it's not clear, just ask questions. Anyone who has some kind of business idea, maybe you want to do environmental ideas here, or
Should it be environmental, or is it
no,
not mandatory?
not necessarily anything.
I guess I have an idea to create kind of like bookshop. I mean, a library where people also can have fun. Actually, it's something like Loft that we have in Armenia, with a more like more educational environment, so that people are motivated to study there. And also like a separate room for having fun, so that you can like have breaks, but also spend your time efficiently.
Great. So guys, Elmira has an idea about having a bookshop, right? Some space for people to gather there and to do their learnings, if I'm right.
Yeah.
So what I need from everybody else is to write down in the chat box what are your two key skills, the strongest characteristics, so that Elmira can decide who to take and how to create a team. And then with Elmira, we'll discuss what kind of resources does Elmira need, what kind of skill set Elmira needs to develop her idea, to bring her idea into life. I will try to see what's going on in the chat box. We have working in the team. Sorab, if I spell it right. I want you just to, not to help Elmira with defining what kind of resources she needs, rather to write down your two key skills. Team player, mobilizer. Elmira, what kind of skills and resources do we need? Maybe.
Yeah, I guess.
What kind of action plan do you have for creating this bookshop? And what kind of resources do you need?
I guess we have to be like passionate and curious enough to gain information about how to open it, because we have to assign ourselves, like apply for a place, find a place and find great resources.
I can't
So
hear
first of
you.
all, make sure that we can make that everything happen on our own.
Okay, so independent working style. This is called independent working style. Yes. Anyone with independent working style? Working on publicity, time management. Interesting skill set. Do we need anyone who can speak publicly or this public communication skills? We definitely need someone with good time management skills. So how many members do you imagine a starting point, as a starting point for your business?
5 to 6.
Anyone else?
Yeah, 5 to
Want
6,
to-
I guess.
5 to 6, okay. Working on
Mhm.
tasks and practical part of the project. Yeah, we need someone very practical. 1 to 5%. Yeah. Okay, so what I want to emphasize here, okay, we have another one, ambitious and creative. Great. Elmira, do we need someone ambitious and creative?
Yeah, of course, that's important.
Are we including Anna in your starting point 5-member business team?
Yeah, yeah, we do.
Anna, you're in.
Mhm.
Do we need an architecture or interior designer or
Yeah, both of them. Yeah.
So what I want to
Do we
emphasize,
have?
what I actually wanted to emphasize
Mhm.
here is before running a team, you need to be sure about what kind of skill sets you need, what kind of resources you need, so that you hire people or you collect or you gather your teammates depending on these needed skill sets and resources, because you maybe hire or bring together people who are very good people, who are your friends, but they are not very useful in bringing your idea into life. So you should
Yeah.
really be clear about this part. Okay,
Okay, thank you.
thank you as well. Leadership and determination.